Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create your AI agent with Flowgen on AI. So today I'm going to be creating an AI agent for a website. Maybe you have a website and you want to create an AI agent that can answer queries for you. Maybe you have a lot of customers coming to your website, so this AI agent will help to answer your questions just like you would, or just like your customer service or your virtual assistant would do for you. So the first thing you need to do is to just type in flowgent.ai, and then it's going to bring you to where you're going to sign in. Okay, put in your email address and then sign in. When you sign in, okay, so to create your first AI agent for your website, just come over here to create new AI agent. It's going to bring you here. Then the what we're trying to build is an AI agent for our website. Just come over to channel and you're going to see this chatbot. Just turn it on. Okay, when you turn it on, then go over to your knowledge base. That's where we are going to give our AI agents the information about our website, what it needs to know about us. So the more knowledge we give it, the more of our information is going to have. So if you come here now, you can add a PDF of everything about your website, your business, everything about you. You can also copy and paste it here, just like you see here, test. You can also add your URL, the website of your URL link here. You can also add a Notion pages. You can add your Shopify. You can add your pricing, your FAQ. All these things will help your AI agent to work smarter and work just like you would, or your virtual assistant or your customer service operator would. Then I'm going to be I'm going to be adding a URL. Meanwhile, I have an existing URL. I will just click on it so that I can add it. But if you don't have, you can just copy and paste it there. So this is the URL of the website I'm trying to build. This is a website of a advertising school where people can come and learn about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, okay, Google ads, different types of ads. Just it's an advertising school. So after I've finished adding it, you can also add more, but since I'm using a free plan, I can't be able to add more of this. But for you, you can add more if you have a paid plan. But as a beginner and you want to just try it out, you can come here to just add one and just test out everything on how this works, or it will be working on your website. You get? So after that, remember that the more knowledge you give your AI agent, the more it's going to be working just like you. Okay, so it's just like you creating a human being. The more information you give it, the more it's going to work just like the way you want it to work. Then you're going to come to tools. Then after our like so when a customer comes to our website, we would like to get the email, the phone number, or mainly the email of the customer, so that we can maybe follow up on them or know more about what they are looking for, so that we can serve them well. And that's where we come here to customize our email. Okay, our email, you come here to customize it. You toggle it on. Okay, i've I've used a lot of my my points. I've used a lot of my point, that's why I can't activate it here, but for you it can be able to activate, and it's easy to set up. When you customize this, you see where you add your headline, what you want your agent to send to you when a client want to maybe make payments or more wants more information. So then after you've done there, you can come to channel. Maybe okay, we have already added the channel is where we want our AI agent to work for us. We want to embed it on our website. All right, so you now come here. um you can now come to this knowledge base also. All right. um Yes, there is also something called system prompts. This is the prompt you give your system to work like you. Okay, this is the prompt you give the system to work like, just like when you are giving a ChatGPT a role. Okay, you give your agent a role of what it's going to be doing. The um the information is going to be the questions you need to be asking to get more information from your clients. Okay, let me just add one here. Okay, let's just say that this is our system prompt, but for you, you need to add uh, a row, you need to add a command, you need to add series of questions or what it should do and what it should not do, just the way you want it to do. This is the place to add everything that you want um your AI agent to do aside the knowledge base. So after you have done that, you can just click on save and continue, but make sure you give it enough prompts that it will work. This is where prompt engineering knowledge comes in. So you need to be able to know how to prompt so that you can be able to work on that part. And now if you want to test it, just come over. Okay, let me go back so that you can see where I clicked on. Just come here to save and test so that you can test your AI agent. Okay, all right, now it says hi, how can I help you today? If you look at this agent details, you see that we are using the GPT 4.1 and our links knowledge is the web URL of this advertising school, and also the channel integration is the chatbot, and the tools is where you now see the email, the WhatsApp, the Slack, but I couldn't add it because my point is not much anymore. So now let's just test it out and see how it's going to be. Let's say I want to register for so basically this is how it's going to work. This is how it's going to answer your questions, though it is not yet optimized well. That's why the answers are coming out like this. But for you, just make sure you add more knowledge and tell it how it needs to be replying messages. It's because I've not given it a lot of enough knowledge, that's why it's answering this way. Okay, but if you give it more knowledge, and also the system prompt, if you prompt it correctly, you're going to see that it's going to work just the way a human does. So yeah, this is just the the example of how you can create your AI agent. And there will be a part where okay, like maybe you added your email, there will be a part where it will just um send you the owner an email telling you that somebody is interested um in your product or in your services or something like that. From there you can now take over or to message the customer to maybe ask them more questions or send them your payment details or something like that. So yeah, after you're done, okay, after you are done with your AI agent and you see that it's okay, it's now working the way you want it to work, just come over to the channel, to the chatbot you clicked on, and now click on share or add to website. So this is where you now copy the link, copy the code, the URL code. When you copy it, you can now embed it on your website or anywhere you want it to be working on, but mostly on your WordPress website, Wix, Squarespace, any website at all, your Shopify, your Webflow, anywhere. Just embed it and your AI will start working. It's going to be just like this one, and it's going to save you more time and deliver and make you more sales. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. um, if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask it in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to answer your questions one after the other. So yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you're going to be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.